Neanderthals, evolution's forgotten cousins. When we look back at the long story of human evolution, one name often appears like a shadow behind us. The Neanderthals, once dismissed as primitive and unintelligent, these ancient relatives of ours are finally getting the recognition they deserve. Neanderthals, or Homo neanderthals, were not our ancestors, but our evolutionary cousins. They first appeared in Europe and parts of Western Asia over 400,000 years ago and lived until about 40,000 years ago. That means they roamed the Earth for hundreds of thousands of years, far longer than modern humans have so far. Physically, Neanderthals were well built for survival. Their bodies were short, strong, and muscular, an adaptation to the cold Ice Age climate. They had large noses to warm the air they breathed, strong brow ridges, and skulls slightly larger than ours in volume, though shaped differently. For a long time, popular culture painted them as hunched, dim-witted brutes. But archaeological discoveries have flipped that image on its head. Neanderthals were skilled toolmakers, capable hunters, and thoughtful caregivers. They used fire, constructed shelters, and made clothing from animal hides. Their tools, including scrapers, spears, and knives, were crafted with precision. Some even used glue made from tree resin to secure stone tips to wooden shafts, complex task requiring heat and timing. More surprisingly, Neanderthals showed signs of symbolic behavior. In some sites, researchers have found evidence of burials, with bodies carefully placed and sometimes accompanied by animal bones or tools. There are even hints they used pigments and created cave art once thought to be exclusive to modern humans. So, why did these capable humans vanish? Around 45,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, our species, began moving into Europe, Neanderthal territory. For thousands of years, the two species coexisted. They even interbred. Today, nearly all people of non-African descent carry between 1% and 2% Neanderthal DNA in their genomes. Despite this mixing, Neanderthals disappeared around 40,000 years ago. The exact reasons are still unclear. It could have been due to competition with modern humans for food and resources. Perhaps climate changes disrupted their environment. Some scientists suggest disease or population decline played a role. It wasn't necessarily a violent end. More likely, small Neanderthal groups gradually dwindled as larger, more adaptable Homo sapiens populations spread across Europe and Asia. What's clear is that Neanderthals were not failures of evolution. They were successful humans who survived in harsh conditions for hundreds of thousands of years. Their extinction wasn't immediate or total. Their genes live on in us, a silent legacy of a once thriving species.